Hello everyone and welcome. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to explain you and show you how to activate unlocked phone on AT&T. So the first step is to simply open your browser and search for activate unlocked phone on AT&T. Then simply click on the first link. Now, depending on which type of SIM you have, you just have to choose one of these. Now, as you can see, we have eSIM and then we have physical SIM. So here, as you can see, you just have to make sure your device is on an active plan, then download the eSIM over Wi-Fi. So simply turn your device on and follow the prompts on your device. And it's the same for physical SIM, but you just have to simply go to this link here and choose your phone model. Then after that, you're gonna have to scroll to getting started and select hardwares and phone details and then choose insert or remove SIM card and follow the steps. So basically, that's all you have to do. Thanks for watching, guys.